Hey everyone, and welcome back to Cooking with Kid Troy. On today's episode, we'll be making Grilled Reuben. Now before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Now let's get started. So in order to make our Grilled Reuben, we have to use marble rye bread, Thousand Island dressing, Swiss cheese, sauerkraut, and corned beef. So first, we're going to heat the corned beef. Now let's start cooking.
Don't dip it like that. Push it up.
I don't know about that one. I think it's over. I think we ran out of room. I see that.
Throw it around.
Oh no, I can see like the red.
Flip it over. Not that one. The one you put in there first. Flip it over.
This one?
Pull that stuff around. Make some more room. Put the rest of them in there. There you go. Now heat that up for about a minute and then put it right back on the pan.
Yep.
On the plate.
Now we're cooking.
There you go. All right, flip the ones that you first put in there. Put those over.
I forgot which ones
The ones that are turning brown?
I think it was this one. I forget totally.
Okay, we'll just flip them over and look at it. There you go.
Oh, you got stove too.
Yeah, we're just heating it up.
Yeah.
So you like cooking on this new gas stove?
Yeah, my dad brought this new gas stove, and I like cooking it so much that, so we decided to use this gas stove to cook the corned beef.
Well, that's pretty much the only stove we have in the house.
Yep. Well, we got rid of the last one, the other one, so that was.
The other one was electric, and good chefs cook on gas heavy.
I don't know why. Because gas pollutes the earth.
No.
Now we're gonna put it back on the plate. That was a lot faster than before. I think that's 2, I don't know. Yeah, that's 2 right this time. Yeah, just at least get all of it. This is very dangerous, kids. Do you want me to get the little one?
Yeah, get those too, man. That's good eating right there. All right, cut the burner off.
Okay. Which way?
Cut it to off. To the right. To the right. There you go. Good job.
Yay! Here's our corn cooked beef.
All right. Now we gotta build the sandwich.
Yep. So now let's build a sandwich. My dad's gonna help me. First, let's put the bread.
You need 2 pieces of bread.
Yeah, 2 pieces. I did not think of that. All right. Maybe.
Nope. Put cheese on it.
Swiss cheese.
All right. Now what?
Dressing.
Okay.
Thousand Island dressing.
Put on top of the cheese. Smear it around.
Yeah.
All right. Now what?
Use the corned beef.
Okay.
Wow, it cooled off quick.
Yeah. No, don't open it.
Oh, my bad. Sorry.
Hold on. Watch your oven. You okay?
All right. You're gonna have more corned beef?
Yeah, I told you it's gotta be a very healthy amount. Pay attention to the food. Alright, so see how that is?
Yes.
Now you do your sauerkraut. See that?
Yeah. And then
Where you come up from? There you go. You want to be able to see it.
more dressing, okay.
More dressing on top.
Yeah, just do that. Put that in right now.
Make sure you take the paper off the cheese.
What is her paper all about?
That just keeps the cheese from sticking. Put another slice of cheese on top.
Yeah. And then put the bread.
Another piece of bread. So that's how your sandwich should look before you cook it, okay?
Yep.
Alright. So then, after that, you'll take the butter and spread it on top. So we'll get that butter.
Alright.
Alright.
Okay.
1 second. Take a generous amount of butter.
Alright.
Just slide on top like that. On top of your marbled rye bread. And you're gonna grill it that side down and then do the other side, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so you ready? So I'm gonna flip it over.
Alright. Maybe on the,
Are you ready? Alright, go to the skillet.
Yeah, you read my point. That's what I was about to say, just like, do it on the skillet.
And then you do the other side.
Yep. And then, how much should we wait for, Dad?
About a minute.
And wait about a minute, and then your
This is super hot.
Grilled Reuben will be done.
Well, no, you gotta flip it over. You gotta do a minute on each side.
Okay. So now my dad is gonna flip it. Oh, not bad, Dad. When was you a professional at this?
You think? Maybe a little bit, I guess. I've only been doing this a couple decades.
Yep.
All
So
right,
now
it's
my
looking
dad is gonna take it out.
good. All right, that's looking good. I'm gonna pull this out of here.
Yep, that's looking good.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
All right.
Oh yeah.
Now watch this. Woo! That's hot. That's hot. Look at that grilled Reuben right there.
Oh.
And there you go. There is your grilled Reuben.
Oh, I'm eating that. So here's our Grilled Reuben. That looks delicious. And I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, leave a comment below and share this video. Bye.